No, I spent like $229 with $75 shipping on the sub, $289 for the amp, about $1,000 or $1,500 on the monitors. The fur, just put that in, $280 for the head unit, and $180 for the box, which isn't, that's dirt cheap for what it is. That's probably a $300 box, at least. But solid as all hell. And for 112, it probably, it might do a 40, I don't know. I haven't metered it with this box yet. It breaks all the time though.
Yeah, I'm sure. That's the best part.
Oh yeah. And then, oh, you fried your voice coil. Dinner's done. Yeah, this thing's nice. I need to join team
DOA.
Trying to see you get naked. Lot of money since you hit the stage, swinging on the pole so many different ways. Got hit with a butt cheek and smacked it back. You a dancer, but you should have been an acrobat.